Hello my guys, so you welcome back to my channel. Guys, if you are my follower, hmm, you must rejoice because this time, as I promised you from the beginning of the year, I told you I'm going to give you only projects that will make you change your life. Because comes with financial freedom, you are going to get financial freedom 2025 and beyond, because I'm going to bring you projects that are going to change your life. Yours is just follow me closely and dive into every project I bring. I bring you cryptex, we are making money with it. I bring you syntech, we are making money with it. And I'm bringing you this one. Okay. Now, the name of this project is Bitnest. Okay. I'm going to talk brief about it in this video, guiding you how to register, what it is, and how you can make money with it. But I'll be doing subsequent videos to explain the details of it. Okay. Now, if this is the first time you are watching a video on this channel, be part of us. Join us by clicking the subscribe button, because here we make money. This is smart people. We make smart money in the comfort of our home. When we are connected to the internet, once you have a phone that is connected to the internet or a laptop that is connected to the internet, you must be making money. Hard work is gone. You are making money smartly. All right. So if you are not making money with cryptex, you are missing out. If you are not making money with Syntech, you are missing out. If you are not making money with Bitnest, the one I'm talking about now, you are missing out. Now, what is this platform all about? I need you to understand that this is where blockchain and smart contracts have come together to meet technology to produce money. Now, this platform is being built on the BNB or the Binance blockchain, running with smart contracts. Okay, everything about this platform is automated. Okay, let me get into that. We talk details about it. Now, you need either you need a decentralized wallet, but there are some specific wallets that are very, very good for this project. One of them is what I'm using here now. Okay, this is SafePal. Those of you who don't know about it, this is the logo. I will prefer everybody create account with SafePal and use. Okay, you can use SafePal, you can use Token Pocket and some, but I prefer SafePal because it doesn't give you any issue. Connecting and everything is very smooth. Okay, so once you download the app from Google Play Store and then you create a new account, you just have the app here, you open it and it's like this. All right, now what I need you to do is to copy the link that I'll be putting in the description of the video. This project, you don't click on the link, just copy the link. Now once you copy the link, open your SafePal account. Okay, open your SafePal account. Before that, guys, this project, as I said, it runs on the BNB, the Binance blockchain. So first of all, you need some BNB in your wallet as gas fee. So if you can see, I deposited some 2 BNB in here and it doesn't even deplete. I've been using it for a long time. It is rather going up because BNB price is rising. So just like $1 worth of BNB or 1.5, it's okay. You can use it for a very long time. Okay. Now, just get that because that's what you'll be using for gas fee. All right. Then the main capital that you want to use is USDT BEP20. Okay, USDT BEP20. Please take note, it's USDT BEP20 because the system runs on BNB blockchain. Okay, so USDT BEP20. If you don't have it in your SafePal, any token you don't have, just scroll down, come to this place that says manage coins. Once you click there, you will see all these tokens. Scroll. Those ones that you see that they are not highlighted like this, just if you see any of them, if what you want is here, just click on this small button and highlight it. Once you highlight it, it will go and add up to the tokens so that when you go back, you will see this appearing here. All right, so imagine, or I assume that you have copied the link, you open your SafePal. Now, once you open your SafePal, come to this button that says Explore. Okay, click on the Explore button. Okay, now you see this search engine here which says search DApp or enter link. Click there and paste the link there. The link you copy, I told you this one you don't click the link, you copy the link. Now once you paste the link, it will display all these networks for you. These are the blockchains, okay, or the networks. It will display all these networks for you. By default, you see that it will highlight Ethereum. We don't need Ethereum, we need BNB chain, okay. So click on BNB chain and let it highlight like we have it here like this. Okay, once it's done, it will ask you some few security questions and just confirm it. All right. Okay, once you do the confirmation, now it will bring you to the platform. This is the platform we are talking about, guys. This is the platform we are talking about, guys. This platform is amazing. Now, this is the total liquidity of the platform. And guys, one thing that amazes me is this project is a very smart contract project. So everything is automated. Now, this system allows you room to earn between, let me pull up this. All right. So once you have your USDT in your account and you have the BNB for the, for gas fee, once you come, and the amount, the minimum you can invest is as low as even $1. Okay, this is one thing I like about this platform. The minimum is as low as $1, but the maximum is unlimited. All right, so as low as $1 you can start with this business. So once you come here, I need you to click on this one that says a Bitnest loop. Okay, click on the one that says join loop. Now once you click on the one that says join loop, allow it time to load. Okay, so once it load, it will bring you here. Now you will see your balance here. Okay, I have no balance because I'm already, if you scroll down, you see I'm already in my loop. I'm already circulating already. Okay, my circulation end today. I circulated $102 or so last 28 days, and it ended today. So if you can see my time, I just circulated again today and it started counting. All right, now at the end of the 28 days, I'll be getting 159.8. I circled 128, or I circulate 128.9. At the end of the period, the profit and everything is automated. You don't even have to ask for withdrawal or press any button for withdrawal. No, as soon as this timer ends, your profit and capital is pushed back to your account. That's the amazing part of it. All right, that's the amazing part of it. So guys, this is it. Now, how much do you earn in this project? It's simple. Let me pull out this slide. Okay, so before I pull out the slide, I want to explain this. By circulation, what you are saying is this. You are granting your money access to the platform. Okay, now the platform is using your money to loan people. Okay, people are looking for loans online. So once your money is with the platform, they are going to loan it to people and they pay you interest on it. All right, now you can circulate for 1 day, you can circulate for 7 days, you can circulate for 14 days, you can circulate for 28 days. That's the highest you can circulate for now. All right, I have tested all these periods already. I circulated for 1 day, I circulated for this, I circulated for this, and now I'm circulating for this. But you don't need to do it. I did it because I want to test the platform, but you don't have to go through all that. You can just choose how many days you want to circulate. You can start circulating from 28 days, you can start from 14 days, 7 days, whatever you want to do, you can start from it. As soon as the period ends, they pay you into you don't need to ask for withdrawal. Yours is just come back and then either withdraw your money or circulate it again. All right. Okay, so now these are the percentage ends for the various circulation period. Now, if you circulate for 1 day, you are earning 0.4% on your money. Okay, if you circulate for 7 days, you are earning 4% on your money. If you circulate for 14 days, you are earning 9.5% on your money. And if you circulate for 28 days, you are earning 24% on your money. All right, so I think this one will explain it better. All right, so you can see the chart on the screen. Let's assume you have $100 to start circulation. Okay, if you circulate the $100 for 1 day at the end of the 1 day, 24 hours, your capital and profit will come. So you have 100.4 back into your SafePal account. Okay, if you circulate it for 7 days, $4 will be your profit because it give you 4%. So your balance will be $104 at the end of the 7 days. And if you circulate it for 14 days, your profit is 9.5, and so 109.5 will come back to your account. And if you circulate it for 28 days, 24% is your profit. So $24 will add up to your $100, and it will come back to your wallet, okay, without you asking for or without you initiating withdrawal. That is what makes it a perfect kind platform. All right, so guys, you can come on board. Okay, the registration link I'll put in the description of the video. This platform has been there for about this platform has been there since 2022. Okay, so if I scroll down, you can see it here. Okay, I got into this platform, I think somewhere February. I made my research about it thoroughly to March somewhere, and then I decided to give it a try. All right, and what I saw is amazing, guys. What I saw is amazing. So you can come on board. I'll be talking to details. One thing about, you see, this is the total liquidity pool update. If I click here now, it's sending me to the blockchain straight away. Guys, this project, you don't need to joke with this project. Look at it. It's sending me straight to the blockchain. Okay, this is the smart contract of the project. Okay, so you don't need to, everything is look at the contract creator here. How many years? Over 2 years, 142 days, almost 3 years. Okay, everything is spelled out, guys. I'll be talking to details of this platform, but for the meantime, I just want you to open your eyes to this project. I will leave the link in the description. Just don't click the link, copy the link and use your SafePal. I want SafePal. Okay, I'll be talking about SafePal mostly in the subsequent videos. So just make sure you get SafePal account, and let's rock this business. As little as any amount, you can start this business. All right, so guys, I will see you in my subsequent videos. Make sure you join the WhatsApp group, and let's rock it together, guys. Thank you very much, and see you in my subsequent video. Bye.